Graphs and data cells are a new set of optional features that go beyond the timelines that OnePager has traditionally been known for. Graphs enable you to show cost, work, or other quantities over time in a number of different layouts, including line graphs, column graphs, and area graphs. Your OnePager chart can include up to 3 graphs, and each of those graphs can plot up to 3 series of data. To add a graph to OnePager, go to Home, Chart Properties, and click on the Graphs and Data Cells tab. There are 3 panels at the top that can contain either graphs or data cells. We'll talk more about data cells in a moment. Let's say that we want to show a graph of monthly project cost. Check the box to display a graph and then change the time unit to month. In this example, the cost field is already pre-selected, but you can change it to any other numeric field of your choosing. By default, OnePager will draw a line graph, but if you want, you can change your graph type to something different like a column graph, commonly known as a bar graph. Click the OK button, and OnePager will import the cost information from your project plan and create a column graph that tracks the monthly cost of your project. Graphs also support pivoting, which enables you to slice and dice information based on some other aspect of your project. For example, suppose that we want to know how much of the monthly project cost is attributable to each resource. To do this, return to the Graphs and Data Cells tab, and click on the Pivot button for the series that you want to slice and dice. For a column chart like the one we have, OnePager lets you choose between pivoting vertically and pivoting horizontally. Vertically pivoted charts will create a single stacked bar for each month, while horizontally pivoted charts will create a series of separate bars, splayed left to right. In this example, we will pivot vertically based on the resource assignment. Here, OnePager has loaded the resource information from the project and has automatically assigned a color to each person. You can change these rules if you want to, but these colors will work for now. Click the OK button, and OnePager will update the column graph to show how much of each month's cost can be allocated to each person. Data cells are another optional feature in OnePager version 8.0 that are closely related to graphs. Data cells allow you to display numeric information over time as text along the time axis. To enable data cells, return to the Graphs and Data Cells tab of Chart Properties. We'll leave panel number 1 turned on, since it has our graph, and we'll put our data cells in panel number 2. Enable the panel, and change its display from a graph to data cells. As with the graph, we want to display costs monthly, not quarterly, so we can change the time units accordingly. Just to make things interesting, let's show cumulative monthly cost. Click the OK button, and OnePager will display the monthly cumulative cost for the project along the time axis. Please visit our other videos at onepager.com/support, or if you have a question, you can email us at support@onepager.com, and we'll be happy to assist you.